my bristles into the monomers and pick up about small medium beads of the pure white. Place it about 50% of the nails. It's really depend on your client too. Some clients just want a lot of ombre for French, which is like more white and less pink. Some clients want half and half. Just ask your clients how they like. If they say, oh, it doesn't matter, you do whatever you want, then it's gonna be perfect. But if you have the clients that they want, I want just a little bit white, but I want more pink, or I want a lot of white and less pink.
So Heather from YouTube, yes, you can. So acrylic and dipping powder are technically the same thing. For dipping powder, usually it's just a lot more fine. But yes, you can use a monomer and turn into acrylic bead.
Okay. I'm gonna just remove the excess powder. Make sure the bristle are really free of all the powder before you are going to submerging your bristle back into the monomer. So I am go ahead and pick the first bead of the pink, and then also second bead of the application. So I'm gonna do it like have a smaller beads, and the first bead that I picked for pure white, and place it right above of the white, pure white part, and then keep my bristle flat and using the belly of the bristle. So now the belly of bristle, and I should just hold and tie the bristle. The brush is blending it. I'm gonna turn aside so you can see that I'm using the belly of it. So the reason it is a belly, we're able to have a more pressure for you without like pulling from the tip, because if you're using the tip like this, you see that how it's 90 degree or 40 degree, it still have a lot of streaky like the strokes from the bristle. So you want to able to blend this nicely and even and more consistency for the ombre. The best thing to keep your bristle parallel with the nails. So then you have it all the pressure from hold and tie the brush. It's not only the tip of the bristle, it's like hold and tie the brush. And hold and tie the bristles will help blend your ombre so much better. So I'm gonna pick the second bead, which is about the same size or a little bit smaller of the first bead of the pink, which is like more like a pink, like a base nude. Looks so beautiful in person. And then I'm going to place it like just a hair away from the cuticles, and while it's setting, I can able to like clean my bristle, clean it off all the excess powder, and using the belly of the bristle and blend it. Which is give, if you're using the belly of bristle, is give you enough, and it give you really consistency of the pressures. It helps so much for your ombre techniques. Okay. If you need to like get a little bit more, it looks really good, and I just like on under my angle. So now it looks really nice and smooth. Okay. I'm gonna cap it with the crystal clear. This is a little bit I'm missing here. I'm gonna go ahead and cap with the crystal clear, and then you can definitely cap just where your ombre starts, or you can cap it right closer to the cuticle, just prevent from, you know, just in case you're filing a little bit of it too much, then it will not hurting into your ombre part. So again, place the beads and tilt the client's nail or your nails down a little bit, and the gravity will take care for you. You can see that the crystal clear is not bubble at all. It's just like so crisp clear. I hope this techniques will help, and if you want more videos for liquid and powder, I have a lot of them saved absolutely there on our Facebook videos, YouTube videos, also on TikTok as well, on Instagram, a lot, like thousand of the videos. If you couldn't find it on Instagram, you can definitely find it on Facebook or YouTube. So now I'll let this one is set.